So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do is make your Strikingly Pays a store. So for that, you need to go ahead and enable the store. So over here, you can see that I have a blank page. So in order to add in a store, let me just go ahead and click on Add Store right here. And then what happens is that you can add a store section, and a store section is added in right here. Apart from that, let me just go ahead and delete that section out and then go to add new section, and then you can see commerce is an option, and here are different sort of store layouts that you can add in as well. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, then you can simply see the store right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around onto layout, I can go ahead and change the layout of the store as I like, and change the number of products I see in each of the pages as well. So you can go ahead and change the spacing as with any other other component that you have right here, and then you can change around the background as you wish as well. So apart from that, for the store right here, if I were to hover over, you will be able to see the Manage Product section. If I were to go ahead and click, then settings opens up. Then under the product, you can see that you can go ahead and add in the product. You can go ahead and enable or disable the product that you have right here. And then you can go ahead and duplicate out the product as well, and so forth. There's different product categories that you can add in right here. You can add in shipping information as you want. You can add in tax information, product reviews right here, and you will be able to add in different store features by going to the store settings as well. So in the next couple of videos, we're going to go ahead and focus on these itself and how we can actually go ahead and utilize the store features to add in products to your page using Strikingly. And that is basically how you can go ahead and add in a store, that is, enable out a store as you need inside of the page in Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.